I'm going to show you exactly how to make your presentations more interactive in Canva using Canva code. This is perfect for school presentations, work slides, trainings, or any deck where you want your audience to actually engage instead of just watching. And you can do this even if you're a beginner in Canva. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, head over to your Canva account. On the left-hand panel, click on Create. Just below the search bar, Canva might already show a blank presentation canvas. If you don't see it, simply type in presentation in the search bar and select the blank presentation with the correct dimensions. Once your blank canvas opens, go to Designs on the left-hand panel. In the search bar, type in the theme of your presentation and choose a template you like. Customize the slides, add your content, and finish the main part of your presentation as usual. Now let's make your presentation more interactive using a simple but powerful hack that looks way more advanced than it actually is. For example, let's say you want to add a quiz at the end of your presentation. Head over to Elements on the left-hand panel. Here's something most people don't realize. This search bar is not just for searching elements. It also works as a prompt bar that can generate interactive elements using Canva code. So for our quiz, click on the Elements search bar and type a prompt like make an interactive flip card quiz containing these items. Then paste the questions and answers for each flip card. After that, change the drop-down option to generate code, and Canva will instantly start creating the interactive element for you. Once it's done, simply click on the generated code, and it will automatically appear on your canvas. Resize it to fit the slide or adjust it however you want, and now your presentation has an interactive quiz your audience can actually click through. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You now have an interactive presentation in Canva using Canva code with just a few simple steps. No complicated tools and no advanced coding needed. If you want more Canva tips, design hacks, and beginner-friendly tutorials like this, hit like, leave a comment, and follow for more easy Canva tricks you can start using right away. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.